Today we're visiting Bistango Restaurant in the Kimberly Hotel here in New York, and we're visiting with Chef Christian Flores, who will be creating two amazing recipes using Vannelli Artisan pasta. Only ingredients of the very highest quality are used to make this all-natural, full of flavor pasta. You can taste the goodness from the very first bite. They use only the finest, all-natural, organic ingredients from original Vannelli family recipes, and it's refrigerated, so it's always fresh. Let's join Prissa Jean, who's joining Chef Christian in the kitchen, and see what's cooking.
I'm Prissa Jean, and you're watching A Taste of New York. Today, we're at the Kimberly Hotel. We're about to go visit the Bistango restaurant, and I'm gonna meet with Christian Flores, who's gonna make two delicious pasta recipes. We're gonna be using Vannelli brands. Let's go in and try it out. I'm in the kitchen with Chef Christian Flores. He's gonna show me how to make some amazing dishes using this Vannelli pasta. So what are we gonna do first today?
So today we have this pasta ravioli, and we are working with a saffron cream, and we'll see how it's working with this beautiful sun-dried tomato. So basically we're gonna start with cutting the pasta. This pasta takes about 5 to 4 minutes to be cooking, and at the time that I'm gonna dump the pasta in the water pasta, we are making the sauce at the same time. So it's gonna be something very fast and quickly. So we're gonna heat it up our pan about for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna start with our garlic with canola oil, of course. We can hear that. Then we go with a little bit of shallots. We're gonna have some white wine, fresh asparagus. We let it cook for a little bit, and we add some heavy cream. We're gonna let it reduce for a little bit to get thick. Then with that, we're gonna finish it with a little bit of saffron, just a pinch, to grab a little flavor and color. Let it reduce, and we have some vegetable broth. So we're gonna take it out of the pasta, since our sauce is gonna finish cooking the process. And we add a little bit touch of Parmesan cheese. You see how thick it's getting the sauce? That's what we're looking for. I will taste it. That's what I'm looking for. And voila. A little bit more Parmesan to finish it. A little touch, parsley, and extra virgin. Voila. All right, for this time we're making the truffle pancetta cheese ravioli. Again, our pan always hot, and this is the cheese raviolis. At the time we're making our sauce, which is a pancetta. Pancetta is basically going to give us our flavor. It's going to give us our fat and oil that we need. We let it cook for about 2 minutes, golden brown. All right, so now we're going to add some garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, just to work in the sauce. And to not burn the butter and the stuff that we have inside, that's when I add some broth. Look at that. That's our sauce right there. Again, our raviolis are gonna finish in the sauce.
And we've got the pancetta in the pan and some
Butter, and we have some
garlic.
broth of vegetable broth. This is the next part. We're gonna jump it here. Put it in our dish, having that beautiful smell and the beautiful sauce that is going to come out with this. And now we add in our flavor, which is fresh truffle. Look at that. A little bit of truffle oil, pecorino romano, and I will garnish fresh, crispy basil.
That's a plate of art right there.
This pasta is it was something different in what different I tried before. It was easy cooking, fast, and cheesy. If you're looking for a cheesy pasta, that's the key pasta. Enjoy. Hi everyone, this is Chef Christian Flores, and we're here at Bistango. I'm so happy to have you here, and please stop by the Kimberly Hotel. We have this beautiful restaurant, gluten-free, which is called Bistango, and upstairs at the Kimberly as well. Thank you very much.
So we actually have a 60% filling to 40% dough ratio, which is one of the highest on the markets. We really pride ourselves in giving the customer the most for what they purchase.
I thought it was absolutely great. I really enjoyed it. And how much does it cost for a packet like this? It's a serving of 2, the way that you can buy it?
Yeah, so they come with 8 raviolis. They're typically $7.99 retail, and it's a serving of 2 in each package.
Where can I find them?
All across the United States. We're in about 300 different stores right now. We are moving more into the East Coast. We're primarily in the West Coast right now.
Got it. Well, I can't wait to find them in my supermarket. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you.